Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to export only audio from Descript. So first of all you will have to install the Descript app and you can start for free with the link down in the description. So just open up the app. After that create a new project, click on video project. I'm gonna upload a video here. I'm just gonna click on add files. I'm just gonna upload this one, click on open. And once the file has been uploaded, drag and drop it here. Click on done. Now after your video has been transcribed, click on this publish button, click on export and click on audio. From here you can select the format. I'm gonna say MP3 and you can select the composition as well if you want the whole part, you want just a scene and stuff. After that just click on export and from there you can save it. So that's it, and that's how you can export audio using Descript. Hope you guys liked it. Thanks for watching. Bye.